hands were freezing.
Oh yeah, it made the ride by the end a little bit of a problem for me, really. I loved the journey, was great, but we were on the bike a couple of hours and my hands were just really cold.
Yeah.
It was a real problem for me, actually.
Which brings us to this. What's all this like wiring that you've got? You look like a Christmas tree.
I've got some heated gloves.
So these are RIDEIRON gloves. They sent us these to Claire to see what she thought of them. They're a new product. Now all this wiring stuff.
Yeah, got wires in them.
This is going to a power bank. These power banks are great. We use them all the time for making videos and things.
So I've got that in my pocket.
Yeah. Let's have a look. And it is in your pocket as well.
Delve deep.
You can tell it's Claire's. Although if mine runs out, you can see me
known to use that.
knocking about in them. I try not to take it to Squire's. Anyway, not that there's anything wrong with it. But yeah, so this power bank goes in your pocket.
Yeah.
And then it plugs into these, and there's some heated cores in there. These are waterproof, and they've got that 3M insulate. So without them being on, are the warm gloves?
Yeah.
You've not had warm gloves, have you?
I've never owned a pair of warm gloves.
Right.
I've got 2 pairs of gloves at home, neither are warm.
What about these? Are these warmer than your gloves without this?
Yeah. I think it's because they're really like fluffy inside as well.
There's that insulate, that's what it is.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is. I don't have them in my other gloves.
No.
And they're quite big and chunky.
Yeah.
So I feel quite safe in them as well.
Yeah, so these are a medium and you're quite small. Would you say that that's a good size for you?
I think that it might be a bit big for me.
Slightly big?
Yeah. However, I can get them over my jacket very comfortably and I can just tie them in like that. So they're not going to come off.
No, well, no, because you've got all the safety clasps and all that.
So that's nice.
And
I've got all the little rigidy bits here, so I do feel really safe in them.
Yeah.
Which I think is important. I need my brain to think that they're safe.
Yeah.
So it does do that, yeah.
So there's a little pouch that's in there, and these come with batteries. You've been running it off batteries. That's just because of charging the batteries. So they do fit. They go against your wrist. Yeah. The battery bit. But as I say, you can do this, and if you've got a USB on your bike, you can plug into them. So when you plug them in, then we'll have a go. Yeah. I think you've got a couple of settings, haven't you?
Yeah. So the power button's on the front.
Yeah. So that's...
And it illuminates.
So that you know it's on, which is good for you. So you got red, which is fully on, I think. And then
full blast.
Press it again, you got green. Press it again, you got blue. So you got different heat settings. Okay. So, you know, if you're first getting on...
So hot, medium, and just like a nice temperature.
Yeah. So I think like I've got heated grips on the Versys, which are just fantastic like them, when you need them. But they're old ones, mine, and I've got off, start, and then on. And what I do, and I think that's how you're supposed to use them, you put it on start, get it heated up, and then you go on to, just to maintain it so it's not going to bleed the battery.
I can feel these already.
Can you? So it's fast? Yep.
Fast.
There's that other one. Do you want to put that one on as well? So hopefully that's going to help you to do it. So there's a lot of pros with this then. And you didn't feel cold on the way down? Not for a second, no. But it wouldn't be Claire without some cons.
I have thought of some cons.
Now, it's just how it is. We said to RIDEIRON, if you want to send them across, you can. We'll take a look at it, but we'll give you some honest reviews. I don't know what's happened here.
I'm not going to say anything about it, if there's something I want to mention.
Okay, so what are the cons?
Well, I've got a big dangly string here.
Right. Let's put these back in here.
So nobody wants that.
So apart from aesthetics then, because it's just in way, has it got any... Is that a problem?